Hey there, future Amazon selling superstars. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Have you heard about Amazon FBA? If not, you're in for a treat. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it's a game changer for online sellers. Imagine having a super efficient friend who handles all your shipping and customer service needs. Sounds amazing, right? With FBA, you simply send your products to Amazon's warehouses. They store them safely and securely. When a customer places an order, Amazon takes care of everything. They pick, pack, and ship your products with precision. And that's not all. Amazon even handles customer service for you, ensuring your customers are always happy. With millions of customers worldwide, Amazon offers a massive potential market for your products. Think about it. Your products could reach customers in every corner of the globe. Plus, using FBA makes your products eligible for Prime shipping, which is a huge advantage. Prime members love their fast, free shipping, so they are more likely to buy from you. This means more sales and happier customers. So, what are you waiting for? Start using Amazon FBA today and watch your business grow like never before. Okay, let's get your products ready to ship to Amazon. The first step is to create a product listing on Amazon. Make sure to follow Amazon's guidelines carefully. Accurate and detailed listings help customers find your products. Next, it's time to prepare your products for shipping. Amazon has specific requirements for packaging and labeling. This ensures your products arrive at the fulfillment center in great condition. Proper labeling is super important for FBA. Amazon uses these labels to track your products and get them to the right place. You can print labels yourself or have Amazon do it for a small fee. Each product needs a unique barcode. This helps Amazon identify your products and track inventory. Make sure the labels are securely attached to your products. You don't want them falling off during shipping. Section 4. Shipping to Amazon. Now it's time to ship your products to Amazon's fulfillment center. This is a crucial step in ensuring your items are available for customers to purchase. You can choose from several carriers like UPS, FedEx, or even the United States Postal Service. Each carrier has its own advantages, so consider factors like cost, speed, and reliability. Amazon often has special discounted rates, so be sure to check those out. These discounts can save you a significant amount of money, especially if you're shipping in bulk. Once you've chosen a carrier, pack your products securely in boxes. Use plenty of padding to protect your items during transit. Make sure to follow Amazon's guidelines for box weight and dimensions. This ensures that your packages are processed smoothly and without delays. Then, print your shipping labels and attach them to your boxes. Double-check that the labels are clear and legible to avoid any issues during shipping. Section 5. FBA Easy and Rewarding. Congratulations! You've reached an important milestone in your e-commerce journey. You've successfully shipped your products to Amazon FBA. This means your items are now in the hands of one of the most efficient fulfillment networks in the world. Now sit back, relax, and watch the sales roll in. With FBA handling storage, packaging, and shipping, you can enjoy more free time and peace of mind. FBA takes care of the hard work so you can focus on growing your business. From customer service to returns, Amazon has got you covered. Remember, millions of customers are waiting to discover your amazing products. With Amazon's vast customer base, your reach is virtually limitless. With Amazon FBA, selling online has never been easier or more rewarding. You can track your sales and manage your inventory with just a few clicks. So what are you waiting for? Start selling today. Take advantage of the tools and resources available to you and watch your business thrive.